Hello, this is Dan and George from Alien Enclosures. Today we're going to give you a little bit of information about our trunk panel kits.
When you show your car at local events or big regional shows, you may have noticed that many of the other cars at these shows have finished nicely upholstered trunks.
If you've entered your car into a judge show, you definitely know that more times than not, the cars that finish trunks will get a higher grades than the ones that don't.
Now, while you may not show your car, you may be looking for the next project to completely finish it. No project car is ever really finished, and definitely not finished if the trunk hasn't been done yet.
So while you could spend hours designing a trunk panel system, or paying a shop to design a trunk panel system, we have a product that makes the task of completing your trunk much easier.
Our kits, made from premium grade plywood, are CNC precision cut and have been tested over and over for a precise fit for your vehicle.
These kits feature our very own self-supportive mounting style, where we use a custom Velcro system that actually allows the kit to stand on its own without attaching anything permanently to the vehicle. Our easy-to-upholster trunk panels also come in numerous design options.
Many of the kits that have cutouts with backing panels that can jump-start the creativity of your personalized trunk panel system.
Here's the main panel from our new Jeep body kit.
As you can see, the backing panel allows for an alternate material, often a different color to be used to make the panels pop, while some customers opt for using the same color for a clean and sleek look.
So when you receive the kit, you'll get all of the necessary hardware, detailed instructions, and all of the panels for the kit of your choosing.
All you have to do to finish your kit is provide the material and labor. We do offer optional upholstery kits if you want the convenience of having your materials delivered with your order.
So be sure to visit our website, alienenclosures.com, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.